Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x800f08a, and the error message show that there were problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep saying this and want to search the web or contact support for informations, this may help again, followed by error code 0x800f08a. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the search menu. Okay, so dito sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings, and then click mo lang itong open. Alright, so dito sa troubleshoots, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang ito. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows Update. So dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo na itong i-click tong run. And then wait natin na ma-detect yung problems na complete po siya. Okay, so after nito ay close lang natin dito. So close natin dito, and then dito lang sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung cmd or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then sinik mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword sfc space /scannow. Ayan. So one word yung /scannow, and then press mo lang yung enter. So beginning system scan, this process will take some time. And then beginning verification phase of system scan, kailangan lang natin hintayin ito na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so kailangan lang natin itong hintayin. Alright, so makikita nyo dito na verifications 100% complete. Okay, so ang next command keyword na kailangan natin enter ay kailangan natin enter ang dsm space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. Okay, so copy lang natin yan, and then kailangan lang natin dito i-paste. O yan, and then next ay press mo lang yung enter. Okay, so deployment image servicing and management tool. So kailangan ulit natin ito na hintayin na ma-complete into 100%. Right, so kailangan lang natin itong hintayin. Alright, so makita nyo dito na 100% operations completed successfully. So the restore operations completed successfully. Okay, so ang next step ay close lang natin tong cmd, and then dito sa start menu, and then click mo lang to restart. Okay, click lang natin yan. Right, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang Windows Update error code 0x800f08a in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.